What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in a 2017 Volvo S90 T5 Momentum, and we're going to do a 0 to 60 run on this vehicle. Just to give you guys a heads up, all of these Volvo lineups are averaging, let's say, 4,000 pounds. So the 0 to 60 on the S90 is going to be very similar to the XC60 and might be a little bit quicker than the XC90 since it's a couple hundred pounds heavier, but I would suggest not far off. So we're going to do this run just to show you how the T5 Momentum engine performs. Alright, so we're fairly on flat ground here, so we're going to give this a shot. And I am low on fuel, but it should be good. So we got nobody in front of us, we're at a red light, and we're going to go ahead and give this guy a 0 to 60 pull. Tiny wheel spin, but it's all good. Not bad. Probably in the 6s there. But we got a full large sedan here. And again, this is the T5 Momentum. Listen, so this isn't a performance car, this is a luxury sedan, but I want everybody to know kind of like what it feels like to do 0 to 60 in the T5 engine, because it's really not that bad of a ride with the T5. Obviously, I'm a power guy, I love power, and if I were to buy a Volvo, I'd probably get the T6, so I'm not being biased here. But I want you to know that it's not terrible in the T5. So if you're gonna be looking to get into a Volvo and it be a price point thing, or get, you know, whatever it is that you're shopping for, the T5 is a good performance vehicle. So keep that in mind when you're shopping your Volvos. If this car is for your wife and she's not all into power, then T5's all right. Just saying. So if you like this video, please hit that like, that subscribe, comment below. Also, check out the links below. I put some Volvo accessories in the links that you guys can purchase on Amazon. Some screen protectors if you want to keep your car clean. There's some car kits there. Help support the channel, and I appreciate it. See you guys next time.